Thanks for taking the time to listen to our Fresh Relevance demo today. We'll be going through a few of our features and highlighting how these can be used to drive customer engagement across your website and email. This is our triggers section. And Fresh Relevance email triggers automate the process of sending tailored messages to your website visitors based on their recent browsing behavior. Fresh Relevance is the leading cart recovery provider, and that's because we use first-party cookies and can automate emails even when your customers aren't logged in. Once deployed onto your website, the Fresh Relevance script detects when website visitors exhibit certain behaviors, such as abandoning a shopping cart without making a purchase, or viewing a product without adding anything to their cart. Once these behavioral signals are received, Fresh Relevance sends an API call to your ESP, instructing it to send a specific email to the customer in question. Fresh Relevance allows you to segment your website visitors using a number of different marketing rules. And these could include their life cycle stage, their browsing history, the specific item that they have abandoned or left in their cart, the time, or even in their location. You may want to treat your top buyer differently to your lapsed buyer. Fresh Relevance offers a handful of website content tools and personalized slots that can dynamically change which content is shown. What you can see here is our site editor, which makes it super easy to drag and add Fresh Relevance content onto the website. Our web content tools give you a range of different tools to help increase engagement and conversions, from personalized recommendations to countdown timers, coupon codes, and more. Our slot rules let you show different content to different customer segments in your web and email marketing. You could show amazing reviews to your new customers, personalized recommendations to growing customers, and coupon codes to get lapsed customers to re-engage. Our site editor allows you to add, remove, edit, and rearrange content within seconds. Any brand with low conversion rates and dropping average order value can see a massive increase in sales from personalization. Help to suggest the right product when customers are on your site will help them to stay engaged and convert with you. This can also present more opportunities to increase the value of their purchase in that session. With our drag and drop site editor, any team can deploy personalized content in seconds to start generating uplift from personalization in minutes. You need be no longer reliant on waiting hours to make changes on the site or relying on others to do the work. We put the power back in your hands as marketers to make changes in real time as and when you wish. Product recommendations are just one of the many different types of personalized content that Fresh Relevance offers. Our platform makes it easy to build powerful cross-channel recommendations that drive significant revenue for marketers across all industries. Recommendations are based on machine learning algorithms that look at contextual, real-time browsing, purchase, demographic, or any other data that can be collected about the customer and can be filtered using merchandising and business rules. What you can see here are the different pools of data that we take in order to show our customers relevant products. We have a mix of AI recommendations, which is based on machine learning algorithms, crowdsourced recommendations, which show your customers what's currently trending at that moment in time, and personalized recommendations based on that individual's browsing behavior. Our recommendations are based on the most fresh and relevant cross-channel data, regardless of whether the customer is viewing them in an email or on the website. This is important, especially when your products can go out of stock, your customers make frequent purchases, or you make frequent price changes. As you can see here, we provide multiple fallback data sources to ensure that customers are presented with the best possible recommendation, and all of our content can be targeted based data that we've collected about that individual. So you can either pick one of our pre-made AI recommendation templates or build your own by leveraging our filters. In this example, we have filtering by the customer's top browse category. These filters can also be stacked. So, for example, filtering by a customer's top browsed category, as well as ensuring that we're not recommending them anything that they have recently purchased. Product recommendations can help customers and marketers alike and can be used across almost all industries, whether this is retail, travel, publishing, or recruitment. But they're especially helpful to organizations that have a very large set and diverse product catalog, where there is a wide array of categories or features. If set up and configured properly, product recommendations can significantly boost product discovery, revenues, click-through rates, conversions, and many other important metrics. They can have positive effects on the user experience as well, which translates into metrics that are harder to measure, but nonetheless of much importance, such as customer satisfaction and retention. Adding our cross-channel product recommendations boosts company revenue by about 10% on average. The drag and drop rules allow me to determine which campaign the customer will receive, dependent on whether they're an active shopper or disengaged. You're also able to test different campaigns against one another to see at which stage your customer actually converts. Fresh Relevance email triggers help marketing and e-commerce professionals alike by enabling them to treat their customers differently with tailored messaging and content, subsequently increasing engagement and conversion rates. Fresh Relevance cookies will also increase your on-site ID rate, leading up to 4 times as many triggered emails being sent when compared to a native ESP solution. Fresh Relevance has a whole range of reports inside our platform, which gives you transparency on what is working to drive customer engagement and how well you're performing at any given moment. Our comparison report here allows you to compare the effectiveness of different smart blocks, slots, and triggers at any given moment. In this example, we can pull a comparison of our People Like You Buy product recommendations. By selecting different examples, we can then run a comparison report to analyze their email value, including impressions and revenue per 1,000 people, as well as their on-site value, including purchase quantity and average order value. Thanks for taking the time to learn more about Fresh Relevance today. If you have any questions for us or would like to see a tailored demo of our platform, then please feel free to reach out.